Hello friends, in this video we discuss about inverse of a matrix. So what is the definition of a inverse of a matrix? So before that we define it is singular matrix and a non-singular matrix. So what is singular matrix? A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant of A equal to 0, means a determinant whose value should be 0, then it is called as a singular matrix. And non-singular means if determinant is not equal to 0, then a square matrix is said to be non-singular. And here one note, if A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices of the same order. So now inverse of a matrix. What is the inverse? We already studied that is inverse in matrices. You have find out inverse by element using elementary row operations. So here definition is, let A be a square matrix if B is matrix such that AB equal to BA equal to I, then B is called the inverse of A and it is denoted by A inverse. We know that is A into A inverse equal to, that should be identity matrix icons. So therefore here we define the inverse of A as A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Using this we find A inverse where determinant of A is not equal to 0. Here determinant of A is not equal to 0 means a given matrix should be non-singular. Means we have a note that is A is a square matrix A is invertible. Invertible means which has an inverse. Invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Remember this note. And one more note here, that is determinant of A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A, where determinant of A is non-zero, because determinant of, we know that it is determinant of A into A inverse equal to determinant of A into determinant of A inverse, that is equal to 1 comes. So now we find the inverse of the given matrix. Here are some examples we study here. Find the inverse of the matrix 2 minus 2 4 3 if it exists. So let us consider let A equal to, that is 2 minus 2 4 3 be a matrix of order 2. So we know that what is the inverse of a matrix formula, that is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So therefore A equal to 1 by, that is determinant of 2 minus 2 4 3 into, now how to find adjoint of A? For order 2 cross 2 we find adjoint of A as interchanging the principal diagonal elements, and now other diagonal elements are changes by its sign. We have studied this form in adjoint of a matrix. So here interchange 2 and 3, that is 2, here comes 3 and here 2, and other diagonal element changes by its sign, that is here minus 2 is here, so therefore this is plus 2, this is plus 4, that should be minus 4. So expanding this determinant, that is 1 by 2 3s are 6, here middle term is here term is 1 negative, so middle term comes positive, that is 1 by 6 plus 8 3 2 minus 4 2, that is equal to 1 by 14 into matrix, that is 3 2 minus 4 2, which is the inverse of the given matrix 2 minus 2 4 3. Similarly, one more example, find the inverse of the matrix 1 minus 2 3 4 if it exists. If it exists means we have to first find out the determinant is, we have to show that the given matrix is non-singular. Non-singular means determinant is not equal to 0. So given means, let us suppose A equal to, that is 1 minus 2 3 4. So therefore A inverse is equal to a formula, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is equal to 1 by determinant of 1 minus 2 3 4. Adjoint of A is of order 2, we interchange the diagonal element, principal diagonal elements, that is 4 and 1 comes, this 1 and 4 interchanged, and non-diagonal elements other diagonal elements are changes by its sign. So minus 2 here, so this is plus 2 and this is minus 3. So here determinant value is 1 4 into 4 is 4 plus 6, that is 1 by 10 into 2 4 4 2 minus 3 1, which is the A inverse. Hence the solution. So similarly, one more example, if find the inverse of the matrix minus 6 5 minus 7 6 if it exists. So here given A equal to minus 6 5 minus 7 6. So therefore A inverse equal to formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that equal to 1 by determinant of A means a given matrix elements are minus 6 5 minus 7 6, and adjoint of A is interchanging principal diagonal elements, that is 6 and minus 6 comes, this is interchanged, and this is minus 5 and this is plus 7. So that is equal to 1 by cross multiplication minus 36 minus 7 into minus 7 into 5 is, that is plus 35. So this is 6 minus 5 7 minus 6, so minus 36 plus 35 means minus sign remains, that is minus of 6 minus 5 7 minus 6 are multiplying throughout this matrix by minus sign. So we get minus 6 5 minus 7 6, which is the, here this is minus sign is there. So therefore A inverse is minus 6 5 minus 7 6. Now similarly you try for these examples for order 2. The find the inverse of the following matrices. The first one is the matrix 1 2 minus 4 minus 1 sec theta minus tan theta sec theta 5 minus 2 3 1 cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Find out the inverse. There are simple examples. So now we see one more example, that is finding the inverse of the matrix of order 3. That is, here given example is find the inverse of the matrix A equal to 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5 if it exists. So we know that given matrix is, we write keep as it is, that is let A equal to write given 1 2 3 matrix, that is matrix 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5. So we know that the formula of inverse is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now first we find out that is determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to, that is determinant of 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5. So given matrix is upper triangular matrix. So therefore we know that the value, if a given matrix is upper triangular matrix, then the value of the determinant is nothing but product of the principal diagonal elements. So that is product should be 1 into 2 into 5, that is equal to 10, which is not equal to 0. So therefore inverse exists, that is given matrix is non-singular, hence inverse exists. So inverse determinant we find out. Now find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, the formula is, that is adjoint of A is nothing but a transpose of the cofactor matrix. Now we find a transpose of cofactor matrix. First we find out cofactor. Cofactor matrix means we find a corresponding cofactor elements. So that is cofactor of 1 is, cofactor of 1 how to find out, that is nothing but minor with proper sign. Remember this one. So we know that first sign is always positive, then alternative sign we take. So this is plus, so neglecting this row and this column, so we get that is determinant of 2 4 0 5 minus second one is, that is cofactor of this 2 is, this sign is negative because the second element, first row second column, so sign comes minus determinant of 0 4 0 5 plus next term comes, that is cofactor of this 3 is neglecting that row and column, so remaining element 0 2 0 0, that is determinant of 0 2 0 0. Similarly here sign comes minus, that is cofactor of 0 is neglecting that row and that column, so we get that is 2 3 0 5 plus this is determinant of cofactor of this 2 middle term 2 is, that is 1 3 0 5. Next that is cofactor of this 4 is neglecting this row and this column, So remaining elements are, that is 1 2 0 0. So therefore 1 2 0 0. Next cofactor of that 0 is determinant of 2 3 2 4 minus determinant of 1 3 0 4 plus determinant of 1 2 0 2 transpose. Don't forget to write this t. Then we have to, after the simplification, we remove that t. How to remove? Next step, that is equal to determinant of this is 2 5s are 10 minus 0 minus into bracket 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0. This value, determinant value 0 comes here. This is 10 minus of 10 minus 0. This value is 1 into 5 is 5 minus 0 minus of 0 minus 0. This is 2 4s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6 minus into bracket 1 4s are 4 minus 0 plus this is 1 minus 0 whose transpose. So the value should be 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0 2 minus 4 1 transpose. Therefore adjoint of A, we write the transpose of the matrix, that is 10 minus 10 2, means we write columns as rows and rows as columns. That is first row should be, that is first column as row 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4. Next this is 0 0 1. So therefore A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is determinant of value is 1 by 10 into 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 1, or multiplying throughout by 1 by 10. So we get, that is A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 1 by 5 0 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 0 0 1 by 10, hence the solution. So next example is, find the inverse of the matrix, that is matrix 1 minus 2 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4 if it exists. If it exists means first we show that determinant of, that is A inverse, A is a non-singular matrix. So here A equal to, the given matrix is, let us consider A equal to 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. So therefore determinant of A, this is nothing but determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to the determinant of 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. So that is equal to 1 into, we directly expand this one, 1 into bracket, that is 2 4s are 8, both the signs are negative here. So therefore the middle sign comes negative, that is 2 3s are minus 6 minus minus 1 into bracket 0 into minus 2 is 0, 3 2s 3 3s are 0 into 4 is 0, 3 into this sign is negative, means middle sign comes positive, that is plus 9 plus 2 into bracket, this is 0 minus 6. So that is equal to 2 plus 9 minus 12, that is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So therefore given A is non-singular, hence its inverse exists. So now we find, that is A inverse. So for A inverse we need adjoint of A. So now adjoint of A is, that is find the corresponding cofactor of each element, that is we find adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix. So here we find cofactors. Cofactor of this one is, that is plus sign first is positive, the determinant of neglecting that row and column, so that is 2 minus 3 minus 2 4 minus this is determinant of 0 minus 3 3 4 plus this is determinant of 0 2 3 minus 2 . Here this determinant expansion, that is adjoint of A is equal to transpose, whose value should be here. This first expansion is 8 minus 6, here 2 4s are 8 minus 6, this is minus of 0 plus 9, then this is 0 minus 6, this is minus into bracket minus 4 plus 4, the plus this is 1 4 2s are 4 minus 6 there, minus into bracket minus 2 plus 3, and this is value should be here 3 minus 4, this is minus of into bracket minus 3 minus 0 2 plus 0, so transpose, so the value is 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 9 minus 6, this is 0, minus 2 minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2, transpose. Therefore adjoint of A is, we write rows into columns and columns into rows. So that is 2, this row as column as 2, minus 9 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2. So therefore A inverse is equal to, we know that A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is equal to 1 by determinant of A value is minus 1, we got, into adjoint of A is 2, 0 minus 1, minus 9 minus 2, 3, minus 6 minus 1, 2. So multiplying throughout by minus sign, so we get A inverse equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. Hence the solution. So this inverse method we use by finding the system of linear equations by matrix method. The next video we discuss about system of linear equations by solving matrix method, and we stop here. Okay, thank you.